In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images for Etsy in Canva. If you sell digital or physical products on Etsy, clean, correctly sized images make a huge difference in how your listings look. We'll walk through this in Canva using a simple example size, and I'll share tips along the way so your images stay sharp and consistent. Start on the Canva homepage. Click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. This tells Canva exactly how big your canvas should be. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, since Etsy displays images on screens. If you see inches or millimeters, switch it to px before you continue. Now enter your target Etsy dimensions. A common, reliable choice is 2000 by 2000 pixels, which gives you a high-quality square image without creating a huge file. Square images work well for many product types and keep your shop grid looking tidy. If your original photo isn't square, that's okay, you'll position it thoughtfully in the next step. Click Create New Design, and Canva will open a blank canvas at the size you set. Next, bring in your photo. Open the Uploads tab, then upload your original, highest resolution image. Avoid screenshots or images that have already been compressed multiple times, because each round of compression can reduce clarity. Once it's uploaded, you're ready to place it. Drag the photo onto the blank canvas. For a quick, full-frame fit, right-click the image and choose Set Image as Background. This fills the canvas edge to edge automatically. If you want more control, drag the corners to resize proportionally and move the image to keep the most important details centered. Keep in mind that Etsy often crops thumbnails, so leave a little visual breathing room around the edges. If your photo isn't perfectly square, focus on capturing the product cleanly without stretching. Use the corners to resize so proportions stay natural. When everything looks good, it's time to download. Click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Select JPG for the file type. JPG is ideal for Etsy because it balances quality and file size. If you see a quality slider, keep it high enough to preserve detail while avoiding an excessively large file. Canva exports in RGB, which is perfect for web display, so you're set. Save the file to a folder you use for product photos so you can find it easily when you create or update your Etsy listing. That's it. Thanks for watching.